Hey guys, today we're going to be blowing up fruit. Okay guys, most of the time I try to do videos that are educational. Today's a little different. We're not going to learn hardly a dang thing. We're going to be taking this AR golf ball launcher, a ton of golf balls and blanks, and blowing them up. Woo! That's what's left of the onion. She got destroyed. Okay, here goes the orange. This one will smell better. If anybody says you can't use a golf ball for self-defense, they don't know what they're talking about. Okay, here goes the bananas. Okay, the avocado is going to be interesting because it has a hit of a core and it could fight back potentially. Oh, it didn't even stand a chance. Okay, here goes the apple. Oh, you know, it helps if I put a golf ball in there. Okay guys, we got the watermelon left and that's it. I'm going to put a .223 round in there to show you the difference between like a standard AR round and this golf ball. Everything else, it's gone. Luckily, everything I'm shooting is very biodegradable. Okay, that's pretty bad actually. That might have been actually a soft point because she's pretty beat up now. And now I'm going to go ahead and hit her from this way with a golf ball. Okay, so the only thing that survived was the watermelon. And you can see right where the golf ball went through. That is what happens when you shoot fruit with golf balls. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you were at least entertained, even though we didn't learn a whole lot. So golf balls are pretty gnarly when they hit fruit. I don't know what they do when they hit you, but I wouldn't recommend it. Also, these are with standard 5.56 blanks. I can reload 5.56 blanks almost 3 times hotter than what these are. Anyway, if you have other questions or comments or thoughts on anything else you'd like to see blow up, please put it in the comments below. Okay guys, thanks for watching.